Hello everyone. I am Asha Best. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are happy and safe. My dear students, today I welcome you all in class 1 English literature. We are going to start today the 9th chapter. It's Children's Day. In this chapter we'll learn about our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. There are some of the important words which have come here in this chapter. Let me discuss these words with you all first. Freedom fighter, F-R-E-E-D-O-M, freedom fighter, F-I-G-H-T-E-R. Freedom fighter means a person who fights. Next word, fondly, F-O-N-D-L-Y. Fondly means with love. Third words, pinned, P-I-N-N-E-D. Pinned, attached or fastened with a pin or pins. Then comes the next word, that is founded, F-O-U-N-D-E-D, founded. Founded means set up or started. Then the last word comes entertain, E-N-T-E-R-T-A-I-N, entertain, which means give someone enjoyment. So let's begin with this chapter in which we are going to study about Chacha Nehru, the first Prime Minister of our country. So let's begin with this chapter. Today is 14th November. Do you know why it is an important day? In this chapter, it is asked that it's 14th November today. And do you know why 14th November is important for all of us? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on this day in 1889. On this day means 14th of November, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday we celebrate every year. He was a great freedom fighter, means he was a person who fought for the freedom of our country, and after free India, after we became free, he became the first Prime Minister of our country. Our country name is India. Pandit Nehru loved children. Why we are studying this chapter? We are studying this chapter because we know that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used to love children. Love children means he used to love you all. He was always ready to spend time with them. He used to spend time with children, with you, people like you. Okay, children like you. He was fondly called Chacha Nehru by all children as he used to love children. So all the children used to love him and they used to call him Chacha Nehru. In fact, most of his famous pictures are with children. If you learn more about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, you will come to know that he used to be clicked with children. Most of his photographs with children like you all. That is why his birthday, 14th November, is celebrated as Children's Day, as he used to love children. So, his birthday, 14th November, we all celebrate as Children's Day. Did you know that he started wearing a rose on his jacket after a child pinned one on it? This is a very interesting information that whenever you will see Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's picture, you will see a rose pinned on his pocket. And it is because one day a rose was pinned on his jacket by a small kid. Moving forward, now let's talk about Pandit Nehru also founded the National Bal Bhavan for children. He was the founder of National Bal Bhavan, which was made for children only. Okay. It provides various activities for them. This Bal Bhavan includes many activities, many creative activities, many more activities are organized in this Bal Bhavan, especially for children. Schools all over the country celebrate this day. Okay, means 14th of November is being celebrated across the country as Children's Day, especially in schools. On this day, children used to dress up in colorful clothes and they go to school, and there the teachers conduct many activities. They conduct many activities for the kids on that day, like the fancy dress competition, quizzes, dance and drama shows. And many more activities are conducted on this day. In some schools, teachers also perform in cultural shows to entertain the children. Like most of the time, the children used to perform many activities for the teachers, but on Children's Day especially, the teachers perform activities like the cultural activities especially for children. The children get sweets and chocolates. It certainly is a very enjoyable day. On this day, at the end of the day, when children come back from school, they get sweets and chocolates from their teachers, and the day becomes very memorable for all of the children, as 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of our country. Hope you understood the chapter. Hope you liked the chapter. There are some of the exercises which we will do later. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.